Hi, welcome to MJ's Kitchen. I just wanted to pop in and say hi. It's been a while. You probably hear there's raspiness in my voice. I've been sick. Unfortunately, this is not for us here on my channel, but it got me inspired because I'm doing this for work. And I just thought I'd pop in and say a quick hey. These are colors from the garden, by the way. Super beautiful, and I love using our stuff from the garden to make some recipes. This just gives you a little insight of what I do with my time when I'm not here hanging out with y'all. My handsome husband is behind the camera right now. Say hi.
Hi, yeah, you don't have a voice either.
He's like, "Hi."
She gave it to me.
I'm contagious. I just thought we'd hang out. Right now I'm making an everyday lentil soup.
Those
Yeah.
leaves are actually so that I can fan her while
Yes.
she works.
And look how cute. I'm like, fortunately, if you look at the cameras, they're all pointing downwards, not looking at my semi-sick face. So yeah, this is my funny apron at the request of the client. So
She wears it all the time.
without anything else.
She doesn't even cook.
But now I'm inspired. I'm inspired. No more lazy bowls. And I have a really awesome bowl that we learned throughout this whole process that I'm going to share with you soon. But let's get started. These leaves don't
Can you
fit
just
though.
like put those up to your face and look at me kind of cutely over top of the leaves? Yeah, that's what I was looking for. Yeah, thanks.
I don't know if I put these leaves and they're like kind of ruining my framing. That's what I'm seeing. And I think I might just shove them. I think that's fine. And now we're gonna get a pot. It's like half an hour of like prepping and putting all this stuff together to make it look all pretty. And then we literally get like 2-second clips of like pouring stuff, mixing.
The muffins are done.
Oh, the muffins.
We gotta get
Yeah, so we had another recipe. So we had muffins. It's like crazy house here.
I think you might need another minute.
It says the actual chef of the kitchen. I'm just a faux
I
chef.
don't know, you need a toothpick.
I need a toothpick. I know what to do with a toothpick.
Pick her teeth, right?
Have anything in them? We're gonna poke this with the toothpick. We'll also use this B-roll for the actual video, so you guys will be in the video, kind of.
I think you need another minute.
Okay, where were we at? So I got a pot. That's gonna go there. That nice and neatly. I know you might see, I am not preparing to get pregnant again. This is actually a thing for like a pregnancy course that is gonna be really awesome for this client. So that's why there's pregnancy stuff there, just in case some of y'all look in the backgrounds and like analyze things. But anyhow, what we're gonna do now, we're gonna show them the little OCD specifics of what we have to do. Okay, so now I'm going to, oh, there's a this is the story of my life. All right, here we go. These are apple sauce banana muffins.
That looks pretty clean.
It's supposed to be clean?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was supposed to be like crumbling.
I told you the apron was just for show.
Look how crazy our kitchen is. Who knows what's going on over here. Loquats from our tree and a very teeny tiny egg. Yeah, that is an egg. Isn't that weird? Who knows? We haven't cracked it yet. Should we crack it real quick?
I mean, if you really want to, I know what it's gonna be like.
Oh, there's no yolk.
I've tried another one, yeah. It's just like,
Is this the second one this size that we done?
that's the smallest one I've found.
We'll do it later. I have to work.
Is that what we're doing?
Yeah. Yeah, it is actually. Okay, so we had a lot of chopping to do. So what I'm gonna do, now that the thing is not interrupting me, is I'm gonna turn on. I'm going to look at my framing. And this gives me an opportunity to like add text for where the ingredients are and just kind of showcase this pretty setup. This stuff's rolling, is that guy rolling?
It's rolling.
That guy's rolling. Okay, so now we're gonna move the leafy vegetables out of the way. And we're gonna show peeling it because it's gonna look like I'm doing something with my life in the kitchen. And of course, we're gonna not show all of this like in the final edit. So it's really unsexy while we're sitting here peeling. Babe, what do you think? Like only half of this?
I thought you said they wanted 2 shallots.
I know, but you said this was gigantor.
Yeah,
What,
so
what is this?
Uh,
That looks odd to me.
it's a little funky.
So I'm gonna remove the core.
I'm not gonna comment on your
I'm
chopping
like,
skills.
the whole point of chopping like this actually is very
Look at what
strategic.
you're doing there, Sparky. Eyes on the blade.
It's strategic because it makes anybody feel like they can cook in the kitchen. That looks like a lot of shallots, babe.
Very irregular chopping. Very contemporary.
Oh, you guys get the close-up view that the work cameras do not. Can you just make little discs out of
I
them?
wouldn't.
What?
I just.
You gonna chop these?
No, I think you can chop them. If you cut carrots in rounds, they always like roll off the cutting board in a funky way.
Oh, we're talking about this, see, from visual strategy now. Visual strategy.
Wow, I'm just.
So I'm gonna cut like this.
Okay,
Following the theme of my irregular cutting pattern. This is perfect.
there you go. That's right.
Thanks, Alexa.
She's so handy.
But she talks too much.
Hey.
This cutting board looks wet. You see this?
Totally wet.
So now we just swap it. Okay, now this
You
looks
just have
dirty.
potatoes left?
So now I'm gonna do potatoes. They're stuck.
You're so cute.
I'm trying to get the bigger ones.
Heaven forbid we asked her to peel them.
No, we're not peeling these.
I think you've overused MacGyver today.
Did I?
Do you know what it means to MacGyver or something?
It's like when you just make it up. Right?
Not exactly. MacGyver or something means like you find the crazy different way to do something, right? So MacGyver was always getting out of traps by using a toothpick and a hair tie and something else to make. Stuck a key in the van and got it going or something crazy. It's like
actually has to
Rube
be
Goldberg
creative.
machines. But yeah, no, like
3 hours later.
it means to like use what you have to, do something that wouldn't ordinarily be done with
We're doing that then.
Okay,
Kind of. So I want to say thanks for hanging out with us. I gotta focus. I love hanging out with you guys so much. I will show you the finished product when we're done. But first, say hello to baby. You say hi. Say hi. Down, okay. Thanks for hanging out with us, guys. We'll see you next time. Big sister love. What are we gonna do?
Mama,
Yeah?
songs.
I did make these gluten-free, so we'll see what they taste like. They're pretty good. I feel like they're a bit dry, but if you warm this up, it'd be so good.